If you've ever thought, why do I work so hard and still feel broke? This video is for you. Today we are breaking down the real reason you are not building wealth, and I promise you it's not just about your salary. Stay tuned with me till the end, because I'm also giving you 3 powerful steps to completely shift your money mindset. We've been told this lie for too long. The world told us, go to school, get a job, save some money, retired at 65. But let me ask you, how that's working out for most people? 78% of workers live paycheck to paycheck, yet they are doing everything right. The real issue is that you were trained to earn like a worker, not to build like a owner. Now let's talk about the invisible trap keeping millions broke. It's called lifestyle inflation. You get a rise pay and suddenly your upgrade, your phone, your car, your apartment, but your savings stays zero. Living large without saving. That's the trap. You are not poor because you don't make enough. You are poor because your spending grow faster than your income. And the worst part, credit makes it easy to look rich while staying broke. Here's the truth most finance guru ignore. Wealth isn't built by how much you earn. It's built by how much you keep and what you do with it. You need to shift from consumer to creator, from spender to investor. This shift doesn't happen in your bank account first. It happens in your mind. So are you ready for a change of mindset to be financially independent? Now, here are 3 money-making moves you can start today to escape the broke cycle. 1 is pay yourself before rent, before bills. Put 10 to 20% of your income into savings. Number 2, start a simple side hustle. One stream of income is too close to zero. Sell a digital product, offer a service, monetize a skill that starts small, grow big. Number 3, invest automatically. Apps like Akon, Robinhood, or Fidelity let you invest, spare change, or set auto transfer. Let compound interest work for you while you sleep. Listen, you don't have to be a millionaire to build wealth. You just need discipline, direction, and daily decision that moves you forward. Don't let the system keep you broke. You have the power to rewrite your financial story. Start today and thank me later. If this video hit you hard, let me know in the comment. I'm ready to break the cycle. Hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for weekly money moves that actually work. Remember, wealth isn't a dream, it's a decision, and you just made the first one. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.